welcome to
17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
Well, this morning you guys see fish here that we're gonna do something with fish, and this is cod fish.
Yes.
So what we are going to do that we're gonna use one of our seasoning, which is Bumbu Kuning here.
And the flavors in that are?
And the flavors on this is turmeric, nutty candlenut, and citrusy kaffir lime. Yes. So we're gonna broiled. Yeah, we're gonna broil it. Or you can steam, you can broil, you can... In Indonesia we use this
banana leaf,
and then you wrap in banana leaf, and then you grill it or you steam it. But today we're gonna just broil it. The same thing. Okay. Well, so what we need, you need like onion,
bell peppers.
We
had some yellow left over.
Yeah, and then you can have green too. You can have red. Doesn't matter. And then you're gonna need scallion. You're gonna need chopped tomatoes. If you have a cherry tomatoes, use cherry tomatoes. That's easier. Then we're gonna use only half of this chicken. Can you?
Cod.
Yeah.
We did chicken yesterday.
Okay. Okay. So half of the cod.
So it's works out to be about 5 ounces, I believe.
Yeah, 4 to 5 ounces.
4 to 5 ounces.
So we're just gonna use half of this cup. I'm gonna do it here. Put it here. Okay. Yeah, the same size. So we're gonna use one of this. Well, put it here. Coconut oil. Yeah, that's it. Coconut oil, and then this. You need to no. How do we say that?
Stir it a little bit?
It's not stir it.
What? Mix it?
No. It's like when you do
you pat it.
Yeah, pat it or apply around your fish. Yeah, yes. That's why I need glove, but if you don't, it doesn't matter.
It's okay, it's your food.
Yeah. Yeah, you need glove actually. You do like 2 spoons or 1.5, doesn't matter. And then you put this.
Alright, so this was the chicken base again.
The gluten-free chicken base.
Give you a little of a salty flavor.
Yeah, we don't have. Oh my gosh, we don't have.
We don't use much salt in the processing of our seasonings, so we leave that up to the customer.
Put it here. Oh shit. Give me a paper towel, please.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's very...
This is going to be so good. We love these seasonings, and if you've been watching some of the videos, you'll see that these seasonings are very versatile. We have used the Kuning in several different videos with several different foods.
You just put a scallion here.
Mm-hmm.
Scallion. This one, just put it there, because you already marinate the stuff together. Yeah. If you have a basil, you can put basil.
Oh yeah, like a Thai basil.
Yeah.
You want me to get some?
Yes. Put some Thai basil. Yes, he's going to pick up some Thai basil. It's very easy, it's very quick, and it's very delicious. Yeah, if you don't want to use a chicken base, you can always use umami or salt, kosher salt, or what else? Veggies, bouillon, or whatever. But this is gluten-free, and you can find easily in Whole Foods. They have everything there. Because I didn't have fish base, I have only seafood stock here, so we use the chicken base.
So guys, we had the Thai basil growing in the front yard, and it just smells so good. Yeah, so what are you going to call this dish?
We call it, in Indonesia we call Pepes.
Okay.
It's a steamed fish.
Okay.
But here we can call boiler fish.
Broiled fish.
Broiled fish. It's not boiler. broiler.
So as you can see, this was another very quick and easy recipe to do. And there was basically like maybe 5 ingredients at the most.
But make sure you use wear glove.
But you don't have to.
Yeah, wear glove.
You're making your own food.
Yeah. So this one, it's ready to broil.
Okay.
The broil is on already. Maybe take like 15 minutes to broil 5
ounces?
Yes, 5 ounces of fish. But this fish is very easy to cook.
Yes. Yeah. And it's a white fish, obviously, cod, and so it does very well with the seasonings, and the seasonings just melt right into the fish. Yeah. So we're going to take a quick break and get that in the oven. And then we will come back.
You mix with the salt or chicken base or fish base or seafood base or any kind of salt, you can always try the saltiness. Make sure a little bit saltier than normally, because when it's cooked, it will, because they have a lot of liquid here from all of the stuff that you put around, so it will reduce the saltiness. Yeah. So it's going to be perfect when you put just a little bit saltier. So.
Okay. Yeah. So we're going to do a little TikTok while that's cooking.
Okay. Okay, let's cook this.
Giddy up!
Okay, take that giddy up, and I need to show you to put this on inside there.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we just gonna put it here in the broil. Or just do like this. Okay, so it's gonna take 15 minutes, so set. This chicken, this fish. Keep saying chicken. Okay, take a look at this chicken. Okay, this fish. See it?
Hold it there again. Come to me again.
Okay.
And just hold right there, right there.
The chicken. The fish.
So tender.
Yes, and then
flaky.
You have white rice or yellow rice with this fish.
Or mashed potatoes can go on here.
If you mix with rice.
Yeah, rice would be awesome with this. Especially how it starts making some of its own liquid. Rice would be phenomenal. Let it absorb all the flavors from the fish. The fish is so delicate. The seasoning, the vegetables don't overpower it. They just work in just this amazing balance. It's so good. And this is very similar to what we do in the restaurant. We steam it in the restaurant.
Yeah, we steam it.
But like you see here, we've actually broiled it. So just another example of how flexible not only the seasonings are, but so many options of just how to prepare the food and prepare the dishes.
Okay.
So good. So
we need to put sambal.
Oh yeah, sambal would be awesome on this. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.
Don't forget. Don't forget to subscribe, share,
like the video, and make the world tastier with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Okay, guys.
Thank you very much.
And bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And I want to dedicate this to our friend Shar. Giddy up. Meow, meow, meow.